Hello everyone, welcome back to the BitFix. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of filling out document section for the Open Doors scholarship winners. First of all, I'm very thankful to BitFix for having me here today to share my experience. So in this video I'm going to show you how I am going to fill my document section as I am a winner in the urbanism and civil engineering for the bachelor's track. So let's get started. Now, as many of you know, the document section is enabled for winners only in the Open Doors scholarship. However, we have been receiving a lot of questions and comments from runners-up as well. To address that, we have written a detailed blog that explains everything you need to know. The link is in description below, so please check it out. In this video, I'll guide you step by step how to fill out the document section. So make sure to watch this video till end so you don't miss any important update. Alright, let's dive in. The first step is to choose your level of education, as I am a bachelor's student and going for bachelor's degree, so I have selected the bachelor's degree. Then I have to choose the language of Russian, as my program urbanism and civil engineering is not available in English, so I have no choice. I have to select Russian. After that, I have to choose the educational program and specialty. As urbanism and civil engineering has more further categories, you can select according to your subject. And as my subject has these categories, so I have to select one in which I am going to study further in Russia. So I'll choose construction, and here you can see the information must match the data in the paragraph 22 of the application form. So after filling this form, when I click on the save, I will move forward to the next page in which I have to download the application form and fill it out. So the information you put here must match the information you are going to write on application form, so be careful. So after that, I have to choose the educational organization like my universities. So here are the universities that are offering bachelor degree in the civil engineering and urbanism and further in the construction field. So I'll choose the Moscow State University of Civil Engineering, then St. Petersburg's Polytechnic University. So I have 6 choices, like everyone. The winner or runners-up have 6 choices, but the runners-up process will start on March 17. Once the process for winners is completed, then the process for the runners-up will be started. So I will choose another this university. Like I can select up to 6 universities. So in the next section, I have to choose my language proficiency level, Russian language proficiency level, as I am not Russian, and I also do not speak Russian or do not know how to write or speak Russian. So I will select do not speak, and if I select do not speak here, so my information must match paragraph 27 of the application form. So the next, necessity to study preparatory course. So as I don't know Russian and I want to learn Russian, so I will check this box, because when I moved to Russia in the first year, I have to learn Russian, then the exact my bachelor's degree for the urbanism and civil engineering started. So first I have to learn Russian. Then here you can see they are also providing some translator in the field of professional communication, some other courses in Russian, like you will become the teacher or anything. So if you want to do these programs or these courses, you can check this, but I'm not going to do this. So I'll simply click no, I'm not interested. So be carefully fill these places. So when I click on the save, I'll move forward to the next page in which I have to download 2 forms and submit my documents with translation. So in the next video, I'll show you how to fill out those forms, because next video will be in detail, because the form is lengthy, so I have to make a long video and briefly explain everything. So that's all. This is the part 1 of this guide. In the next video I'll show you in detail how to fill out the application form step by step. So make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any update. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to check out the blog link in the description. If you have any more questions, please do a comment or contact me on Instagram. That's all for today. See you in the next video.